central Texas, northeastern Johnson County in north central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Cedar Hill, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Alvarado, Ovilla, Venus, Ferris, Palmer, Grandview, Oakleaf, Maypierle, Pecan Hill, Griffith, and Ike. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Oh!
Thunderstorm Watch number 353, effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Bosque, Ellis, Hill, Hood, Johnson, and Somerville. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.